How do we define the track star? That's a problem. Now, the track star just mounts on your bench. Goes here, goes there, goes back here, goes pretty much anywhere you need it. Track star makes your bench wider. That's about 5 3/4 inches or 146 millimeters. Track star is height adjustable. Track star has 20 millimeter holes and slots. Good for bench dogs and spiral dogs. Track star is a handy reference point when you're using our universal setup blocks to align your guide rail for long rips off the edge of the bench. Use our parallel guides on your track star. Track stars align your guide rail for long cuts off the edge of the bench. Run your saw like so. Other track stars support your offcuts, and when you're finished, simply lift it up, push it forward, and walk away. Use track stars for crosscuts. Mount our Gen 2 fences on track stars. The wingman attaches to track stars when you need that extra length of crosscut or rip. We can't really tell you what the track star is, but I think you'll figure it out.